Hello and welcome to another video of Wise First. In this tutorial, we are unraveling the art of upscaling Midjourney images to achieve the pinnacle of resolution. Join us as we delve into the world of image enhancement with Midjourney's version 5 and version 5.2. Let's begin by exploring the dynamics of upscaling. When we upscale an image within Midjourney, it starts with a resolution of 1024 by 1024 pixels for a 1:1 aspect ratio. But can altering the aspect ratio elevate the resolution? Let's find out. If we roll the same image with a 16:9 aspect ratio, it is expanded to 1456 by 816 pixels. However, this might seem larger, but it is important to note that one dimension is longer while the other remains shorter. As we experiment with different aspect ratios, we discover that while the dimensions change, the overall resolution remains relatively constant. Whether it is 16:9 or 4:3, the resolution isn't drastically affected. In essence, regardless of aspect ratio, adjustments within Midjourney version 5, the resolution remains relatively constant. Yet, we yearn for more. How can we surpass these boundaries? While zooming out maintains the same resolution, it shrinks the image. Yet, through panning, a different story unfolds. Panning is a specific direction can actually increase the resolution. For example, by panning down, the resolution becomes 1024 by 1536 pixels. Panning grants us the ability to explore different dimensions. However, constraints arise when one ventures too far. The image can start to appear skewed and lose focus. So, how can we further enhance resolution? This is where the aspect ratio parameter comes into play. By incorporating the --AR parameter, we can adjust the aspect ratio directly. This changes the resolution's nature. With careful consideration, we can elevate the image's dimensions. As a reminder, this method has its limits and challenges. In conclusion, while Midjourney's built-in upscaling tool have their advantages, leveraging third-party tools can yield even more refined results. Remember, creativity knows no bounds. Embrace these techniques to elevate your creations and embark on a journey of artistic excellence. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, keep honing in your creative endeavors.